Excellency, I have the honor to present to Your Excellency the Letter of Credence by which President John Mahama has addressed a letter to you, accrediting me as non-resident High Commissioner of the Republic of Ghana to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present to you the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to the State House. In that, I also extend our warmest welcome to your members of the Council that are here, and also to officially receive you as well. You've given us your credentials, and we are grateful for that. And I most warmly welcome you to Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the Government and the people of the Republic of Ghana our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. In extending these greetings to you, Your Excellency, once again I say Bula Vinaka, which is greetings in the vernacular, and I'd like to offer you my sincere congratulations on the appointment as the non-resident High Commissioner of Ghana to Fiji. Your appointment is in testament to Ghana's commitment to fostering stronger ties with the Pacific, and especially our neighbors in the Pacific. There are 13 countries, small island countries, like you have back home, that comprises of countries within the Pacific region. Most of them suffer from these climatic changes, some of the issues that we discussed at the IPU meeting which was held in Accra, which I attended as the Speaker of the House here. And we went on to a great extent touching that a very important topic. But Ghana being a great country and has a great history as well. And we learned a lot during our studies at uni on the great projects in Ghana, especially to do with resettlement. That is the Upper Volta region, I think. And resettlement studies are not really, as judging from the outcomes of what happened at the resettlement, big resettlement project in Ghana. It was during the leadership time of the former general. Well, it was interesting to go back and then realize how development have taken place in Ghana. We visited some of your historical sites. The whole kingdom is still very much there. I forgot the name of the kingdom. Ashanti. Yeah. It's quite interesting. But sir, I'm just kind of sharing some of the experiences I've had in visiting your great country. One thing I most admired was how Ghanaians were able to be heavily participating in all the economic development of the country. Here, that's a bit of a challenge for us, because we have ethnic groups as well. Even at the IPU conference that was staged in one of your official meeting houses, it's a huge complex. So leaders were there. And we kind of understood the importance of what we are trying here. Trying to bring up our indigenous people to be able to participate in where you are now. And being part of the British colony, I think we are the same, but we never followed the line that you undertook, sir. Being able to test your resolve in trying to gain the freedom and the voice to speak for your own very people. It was a challenge. There were great wars. And those were histories that we learned in school here. The Ghana experience. But again, you've surpassed all that. And you've turned out great intellects. One was a professor from England who came here to teach in our university here, Coffee Bloom. He's a land specialist. There were others, many others that followed, international renowned figures. But that is Ghana, sir. And we view that as part of the self-determination that you undertook. We know where you are, and I've been there, and I've seen the huge development that has been undertaken in Ghana. And all I can say is, yes, Ghana is something for us to visit and see, and then we take it from there in terms of the history as well. I think you have a lot more of your diaspora living out there in the UK. And you have very close relationship with the United Kingdom, like we do have here. But sir, part of our close links centered on what you've been pursuing all this time in the world. And especially on climate resilience, peace and security, and sustainable development. Sir, we look forward to engaging you further, sir, in the great country of Ghana, in your missions in Canada to explore areas of bilateral cooperation that we can venture into. Once again, sir, I congratulate you on your appointment and thank you for presenting your credentials, which I accept with great honor and goodwill, and wish you every success as you carry out your duties, and look forward to a fruitful and enduring partnership between our two nations. Thank you so much, sir.